Hari Hari. Huh? What you say?
Bhaktivedanta Thakur,
Yes.
he was walking in a spiritual sky.
Yes.
And then the Lord Shiva and other devas approached him to interpret one verse from the.
In the abode of Jamaraj.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Api chat sudurachara bhajate ma ananya sadhureva samantavya. Huh? That verse is there. Api chat sudurachara ananya sadhureva samyak vivasita hi sa. That verse was discussed, you see, in the abode of Jamaraj. Jamaraj was one of the Mahajanas, you see. Many great learned scholars were there, Acharyas were there, you understand? And Mahajanas, well, Mahajanas, they couldn't get the real answer, real explanation. This Bhaktivedanta Thakur went there and explained it.
How did he explain?
That means how Bhaktivedanta Thakur, not under the influence of God, he went to the abode of Jamaraj. Yes.
And it is factual, huh?
Yes, factual. He explained it, yes.
I was told that this, when they saw him, he said, "Oh, he's a pure devotee. Let's ask him. He's a pure devotee. He should know."
Yes, he's a man. Yeah.
So what explanation he gave?
What explanation he gave?
What explanation he gave?
Yeah.
He gave that one who is real sadhu, he has his spiritual form. You understand? That form you say apparently is material form, outward form. That's not the sadhu. Therefore we say, Acharya mang bijanya, nav mannet karichis, na matya buddhyasveto sarva devamaya guru. Krishna says, he is as good as myself.
Yeah.
As I am Sachidananda, he is also Sachidananda. You understand? His body is not meant to body. Don't think him as an ordinary mortal being. That is great aparad. So what is real Swarup? How is Sakhi or Manjari or something? That how can you see if you have not such eye? You follow me? But you see his outward body, only outward. So you deride. You follow? Vaishnava nachine. Dhanna mada garbe Vaishnava nachine. Who is very puffed up. You understand? The possessing his material wealth, opulence, education, some material education. You understand this? Puffed up fellow. He cannot recognize a Vaishnava. Vaishnava nachine Nityananda ninda kari. He blasphemes. He cannot see the real form of sadhu. One may come and say, "Oh, he is sadhu." What is sadhu? He is a crippled man. He is a blind man. He has so many scabies throughout his body. You see, like Sanatana Goswami escaped from Vrindavan to Jagannath Puri. The whole scabies. Sores come out throughout his body.
Yes.
Pus coming out, blood coming out. Nasty order. Then thought up in his mind, I am going now. I'll see Jagannath, chariot, Ratha, and see Mahaprabhu. And finish this body under the wheel of chariot. Thought up in his mind. He came and stayed in the Bhajan Kutira of Haridas Thakur. Mahaprabhu every day used to come there. Morning before going to sea bath, taking bath in the sea. His devotees, Mahaprabhu came and he didn't come close up to me. He offered pranam, obeisance at a distance. Haridas Thakur said, Sanatana is paying. Oh, Sanatana has come, where is he? Oh, he is there. Mahaprabhu had that to embrace. No, don't touch me. His body is a nasty body, it's coming out all the bad order. Mahaprabhu embraced. No, Vaishnava Sharir, Prakrut Sharir Noy. The body of a Vaishnava is not metal body. You understand? You say some bad order is coming. No, Chatussamarganda Bharati. It's not bad odor coming out from your body. It's 4 scented articles combined together. Chandam, Karpura, Kasturi, Kumkum, Agur, yes, Agur. Chandam, Karpura, Kasturi, Agur. 4 scented articles combined together, Chatussam. That nice scent is coming out. Yeah, you see, Mahaprabhu said. Do you follow? Then Mahaprabhu said, what right you have to destroy my body? This is my body. This is my body. My mother said to stay here. So how my work will be executed in Vrindavan with this body? What right you have to destroy my body? So foolish. Then become a saint. Oh yes, I committed great blunder, offense. Oh yes. You understand?
It's so deep.
So deep you should understand. The outwardly, apparently you see nasty body. Is a sadhu, is such nasty person. Is a cripple, blind, scabies are there. Pus is coming out, blood. Is a sadhu. Durachar, he is most sinful person. Apichas durachar bhavate mananyam bhag. Sadhureva samantattva. He gave this explanation. Do you understand? Then you can understand what is sadhu.
Gour.
Yes, do you follow me? He gave such explanation. Don't see his bodily deformity, anything of his heart. That is not his form. He is for transcendental form. Do you understand? Yes.
But then how do you explain, other time in the other lecture you said that we should not take care about so much about our body. If you get sick, you die. You finish your body, don't worry about it. If you...
Hare Krishna will take care of it if you really this body is engaged in Krishna's loving service. And you have gotten this unfailing medicine, Hare Krishna. Yes, sir. You have no faith in it?
Yes,
Another purport to that story is that he said you have surrendered, so your body doesn't belong to you anymore.
No.
So that is
Nothing belongs to me.
That is a
Everything
very
belongs
deep,
to Krishna. Yes.
deep
Amar
realization.
bolite aur kichu na. Bhaktivedanta Thakur said, there is nothing that I can say mine. Everything belongs to you. Yes, my body belongs to you. I myself, soul belongs to you. Everything belongs to you. Yes.
So in other words, he's saying that the disciple's body doesn't belongs to the Guru.
Belong to Guru.
Yes.
It belongs to
Yes.
expansion of Guru.
Yes, Guru's property. That's Guru's property. Yes, why do you enjoy Guru's property? Such a great offender. Rascal you are. You want to enjoy Guru's property? Instead of giving him enjoyment. Jayant Guru. Want to enjoy Guru's property. Don't do it. Great offender. So deep philosophy. You should understand it.
Gurudev,
Yes.
how do we understand it then if the Guru displays some sickness or he's very worn out from traveling or
Yes.
seemingly old age?
Yes, yes.
Just like Srila Prabhupada before he left away.
Yeah.
He was so thin and the Kaviraj said he would be feeling so much pain.
Yes. But
Yet you're just telling us...
But you are not feeling any pain. You are not feeling any pain. You are very happy, joyful, blissful inside.
Inside.
Outside, so much sickness,
Yeah.
so much pain. But inside, like Haridas Thakur was beaten, 22 bazars.
Yes.
Flesh came out, bone came out. He didn't die. He didn't die. Anybody would have died. He didn't die. Blissfully chanting Hare Krishna. How will he? That means he is teaching you. He is teaching you how to remain blissful in spite of all these sufferings. Sufferings are here in this material world. The body gives so much trouble. So much is subject to suffering. Birth, death, old age and disease. Body is first hindrance. Mental body, you see.
Yes.
And he teaches, Guru teaches, Vaishnava teaches, Sadhu teaches. Huh? Then say, don't be attached to this body. Only one attachment is to attachment. Lotus feet of Krishna and be blissful. All circumstances. Then say, that he teaches. And he teaches how to live this body blissfully.
But Guru Maharaj, yogis undergo several territories and able to preserve the body nicely.
Yes.
So we are much closer to Krishna. Why we have to undergo this body of the modes of material nature in apparent?
It's apparent, Baba, apparent.
Apparent consideration.
Yes.
But the yogis, they don't know apparent consideration. They can preserve nicely as long as they live in this material world.
Yes, a yogi can do it because that he has attachment to this body. Let me keep my body. But we have no attachment to this body.
Oh, I see. So that's why we don't worry about all that.
No. That yogi can do, perfect yogi. Well, that's some perfection.
But he said that, the devotee develops, receives all the mystic power, mystic perfection.
Yes, they never display it.
But he
If
never
you display, if you are attached to this mystic power, your bhakti will be finished. Finished. You are attached to it.
All right.
The yogis are attached to that. Thank you. Prabhupada Maharaj.
Guru Maharaj is getting